A lot of guys have questions about how to set their throttle position sensor. By the way, this is my 85 TA, 5-liter 2-port injection. But once you put on your new throttle position sensor, you want to make sure you get that set correctly. It helps your idle, overall throttle response, and you're going to want to set that right. But the first thing you do, turn your key on. Do not start the engine. Get yourself a multimeter that shows DC volts. Set this to DC volts. Take your black wire, set it on a ground. Take your red one, put it on the middle wire on your throttle position sensor. This shows the reference coming back to the computer. One wire is a ground, one wire is power in, the other one is power out. Basically, this is a resistor, and when you press the throttle, it turns this and changes the resistance, allowing more or less power to flow through. For example, when I press this down, and basically I'm opening the throttle, it changes the voltage. Watch. Up. Right there, I'm about wide open throttle. And back down. This should be set on most of these engines at 0.54 volts. Now I already have my top screw loose. The bottom one's kind of junk anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and you can either move this, turn it up or down, because the screw is adjustable. Now watch, if I push it down, I'm decreasing. If I push up, look how far that jumped up. So you just want to push it back down very slowly and get yourself to, whoop, I'm real close, whoop. You know, that's about as close as I'm going to get, and that's real nice. So then what you want to do is tighten your screws back up. And don't forget, recheck it. Make sure you're still there, because when you tighten these screws up, it can throw it off.